Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 2-minute lessons. Let me talk to you about another interesting and useful process. Here's your question. What is diffusion? Observe these pictures. Can a burning cigarette spread its smell? Do you agree the fragrance of flowers reaches us at a distance? The floating aroma of fresh coffee beans or a fresh pot of coffee always stimulates me. What about you? Well, how does all of this happen? Yes, through diffusion. And now let's find out how this process takes place step by step. Before we learn about diffusion, let me tell you what is concentration and gradient, and it will help you understand diffusion easily. Concentration is the amount of substance in a particular area when compared to another area. The first image on this slide has a higher concentration or more number of molecules, and the second image has fewer number of molecules. Now, to what extent the concentration differs from one area to another is referred to as gradient. Do you know what the arrow indicates? Yes, it's the direction of movement of molecules. Check these questions. We know that the fragrance of flowers, aroma of delicious food, or bad odor reaches us even from a distance. This is possible due to movement of molecules from high concentration area to low concentration area. And this movement stops when a homogeneous mixture is formed. So shall we define what a diffusion is? Diffusion is the movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration down the concentration gradient. You can try this experiment and observe the changes. I am explaining one to you now. Here we have 3 beakers, A, B and C, filled 2/3 with water. In beaker A, a few drops of ink is added, or it can be food color. And let's see what we observe. Yes, the ink drops sink towards the bottom as seen in beaker B. Next, the ink molecules spread out in all directions and the water color gradually changes from colorless to one shade of blue color as seen in beaker C. Molecules move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, as I mentioned earlier. The molecules mix until they are evenly distributed. Finally, uniform concentration is attained. Interestingly, for diffusion, no energy is required as the molecules move in a passive manner. Aroma of coffee, smell of burning leaves, or smell of food. These are some of the examples, and you can check out others too. The ink drops are in high concentration initially. They start to spread out to area where the concentration is low, as seen in the color change in beaker B. Gradually, they spread all over and the water turns blue. This phenomena is called diffusion, which means to spread. Think of other examples. Diffusion is essential in the process of gas exchange during respiration, that is, movement of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Diffusion helps to transport essential substances throughout our body. It removes waste and toxic products through excretion. Ions flow, which helps to generate nerve impulses. Diffusion regulates temperature. Living cells obtain necessary molecules for its functioning and survival by way of diffusion. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You're welcome to drop your comments and I will get back to them. See you in my next.